Welcome back to the Biotechnology lecture series. This is the fourth lecture on the introduction of biotechnology. In this lecture, we will cover scope, career, and institutions. Biomedical research scientists, they work to understand the underlying mechanisms of diseases and develop new treatments or therapies. They often collaborate with healthcare professionals and institutions to improve patient care. Examples of institutions specializing in biomedical research include the National Institutes of Health, NIH, and the Broad Institute. Biomedical engineer, they design and create medical devices, equipment, and prosthetics, improving healthcare and patient outcomes. Notable institutions in this field include the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, and Johns Hopkins University. Pharmaceutical scientists, they focus on drug development and formulation, conducting research to discover new drugs or improve existing ones. Institutions like Pfizer, Merck, and Roche are leaders in this sector. Genetic counselor, they help individuals and families understand genetic conditions, assess their risk, and make informed decisions regarding their health. They often work in hospitals, clinics, or private practice. The University of Michigan and Stanford University offer reputable genetic counseling programs. Agricultural biotechnologists, they use genetic engineering and other techniques to improve crop yields, develop disease-resistant plants, and create sustainable farming practices. The University of California, Davis, is renowned for its agricultural biotechnology programs. Environmental biologists, they study the impact of human activities on the environment and develop strategies for conservation and sustainable resource management. Institutions like the Woods Hole Oceanographic Institution and the Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, offer career opportunities in this field. Bioinformatics specialists, they analyze and interpret biological data using computational tools. They play a crucial role in genomics, proteomics, and drug discovery. Carnegie Mellon University and the European Bioinformatics Institute are esteemed institutions in bioinformatics research and education. That's all for today, and now that we've covered the fundamentals in our biotechnology introduction, this was the last lecture for this module. We are looking forward to see you in our next module.